And welcome to another episode of Willis Talk. Yes. Well, we were up to the octopus tree in a previous episode and over to there in the first episode. Now it's down to the lighthouse. Dun dun dun. And off we go. Use the trails though. Please. Be kind. If a million people walked on the grass, well, there just wouldn't be no grass, now would there? There'd be another trail. Cape Meares Light, House, Viewpoint, and Gift Shop closed for winter. Probably closed for COVID, too. But you still can see way down there. Way down there. Is the way down there is the lighthouse. Lighthouse. Ow! And there's the fence. Look at all the little moths. Oh, here's some wild cucumbers. Wild cucumbers, yes, folks. Wild cucumbers. Do not eat the wildlife. Wildlife will eat you. Wild cucumbers are not something to... Still got a long way to go. It's like the long corridor. Oh, look, detour. Meow. Ladies and gentlemen, please be cautious that there will be detours on this ride. Hey, anybody want some seabird? Predator? Hey, wasn't that your cousin? Sorry, folks. Here we go. Back to serious. There we go. Do-do-do. And look at the view. Wait for it, more chunks fall off in another few million years. Click down in the water. Hopefully y'all can read this. Put a comment in the comment section. Let me know whether or not it worked or if it was a dismal failure on these reading boards. Trying to make many passes over these long lines so that you guys don't have to. Please rewind. And then we shall continue on our journey down to the lighthouse. Please make sure that all your hands and arms are in the journey right position and watch for the skies. They are clear with chance of showers all day today and maybe tomorrow too. Depends. Depends. Depends on whether or not you can weather the weather. And there's the lighthouse once more. Woo, lighthouse. Whoa, bump, 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 bump. Here they go, down to the lighthouse. Here we go. Here we go. Down to the lighthouse. Looks like another detour coming up ahead. Right there, look at the hole in the fence. Or maybe you can't see it yet. Yep, looks like another detour in our exciting adventure to find the Lighthouse of Wonder. Cape Meares Lighthouse. Let's see, is there a sign? Isn't there a sign? There's a sign. Whew, dang. I'm glad I still got some good feet for this. Woo, doggy, look at that. And look down there. There's holes in them cliffs. Holes, I say. I wonder what they be. Oh my. Let's see what the sign says. There we go. Please enjoy. And when you have a moment, like and subscribe, and let me know what kind of content that you would like to have on. Now that one is neat. Short enough that you can actually read it in one shot and still see both pictures even. Let's continue onward. To the lighthouse. To the lighthouse we go. It's not much further. Yeah, right. Not much further, they say. Uh-huh. Look at it. Look at it to do. If not for the lighthouse's glory, they stand all the light of the coast, far, far and wide. The ships out at sea see the lighthouses gleam and follow one to the other by the night so grand. No ship will crash upon the shore or sink to the bottom where Davy Jones is stored. All those sailors that have went down to the locker, no more shall they go, for the lighthouse keeper's duty stays strong and sure. Well, let's go down and take a gander. There's some signs down there. Boo, Davy Jones hates you, you know. Yeah, if Davy Jones could get you, Davy Jones would take you out. Because you stopped a lot of ships from crashing on rocks. Like them. Or like these. Ooh. Imagine being out there in the ocean and that light being your only salvation. Only salvation. We'll come back to that sign. We will. We're just gonna come down here and get the rest of the lighthouse. Well, that door. That must be the gift shop. Used to be a place for somebody to rest their weary head. Oh, there's the bottom. Remember, you used to be able to go up into it. I think you probably still can when the gift shop is open. Not much of a building. It's not really that huge of a building at all, as you can see by me walking around. Well, let's get the last 3 signs and we will call it good for this episode of Willis Talk. And check out all the sites where they are. Do you happen to live in any of them? Drop a comment down below. Like and subscribe while you do that. Let me know what you might want to see on my channel. And one back look at the lighthouse so supreme. Look at that, all that nice metal and glass protecting ships at one time from the despicable rocks. I have to stretch for this one. Need a longer arm. Now we got that one last sign, ladies and gentlemen. There's one last sign. Let's just watch the leads here as the feds go away. Look at that view. Oh yeah, there's a doggy around here somewhere. Let's go up here and get the sea lions and seals. No, not Navy SEALs, even though. Hey, is the Star Wars thing working? I hope so, because it's all in a row. I hope I took it slow enough for all you to read. If not, I apologize, but that's what the pause button is for. Oh, look at the puppies. Californian sea lion. Dang it, come and visit. Go home. Go home. Well, that is the end of this episode of Willis Talk. I hope you enjoyed this 3-part segment of the lighthouse, the octopus tree, and the main foyer for this running lighthouse gag.